Hi, my name is Patrick, and this is Prep Mindful, your daily video practice in mindful test prep. Integers, multiples, what's up with that? Let's find out, ACT math style. This is question 48 from the math section of ACT 74H. Right there, you could pause the video, take a crack out of yourself, and then unpause the video and watch the explanation. Could be good, because we're getting in there. It reads, consider all positive integers that are multiples of 20 and that are less than or equal to 300. Okay, I'm considering it. What fraction of those integers are multiples of 15? Damn, alright. But how many multiples of 20 are there that are positive and are less than or equal to 300? Well, you could think of it as there's 5 every 100, right? Because 20 goes into 100 5 times. So to 300, that would be 5 times 3, or 15. So overall, there are 15 possible numbers we're talking about. We want to know how many of those are multiples of 15. Well, 20 isn't, and 40 isn't, but 60 is, right? And you can check in your calculator. 20 not divisible by 15, 40 not divisible by 15, but 60 is. 80, no. 100, no. 120, yeah. And that makes sense, because 120 is a multiple of 60. And in fact, the lowest common multiple of 20 and 15 is 60. It's another way of thinking about the question. Okay, so every third multiple of 20 is a multiple of 15. And we established there were 15 multiples of 20 in total. And a third of them will also be multiples of 15. So 1 over 3. Oh, snap. Answer choice F. Cool. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, why not subscribe to our channel? And if you have any questions about this or any other problem, feel free to hit me up in the comments below, or you can email me at prepmindful@gmail.com. In the meantime, my name is Patrick, and this has been Prep Mindful.